friends, today I am going to tell you how you can create PDF file and convert them into different file formats. For example, this is a Word file and I will convert this Word file into PDF. I have just created a sample Word file. I have pasted sub content and added a screenshot of my YouTube channel, and just I will convert it using this online software. So this software name is hiPDF.com. This is an online software, and you can use this software to create PDF files and uh, and convert them into Excel, Word file, compress PDF, PDF to images, images to PDF, merge PDF, split PDFs, edit PDF, PDF to PPT, PPT to T2 PDF. You can do all these uh, things. You can even protect PDF with a or unlock PDF using this software. So I will first use this Word to PDF and show you how it is done. I will choose a file. Is the Word file which I will convert into PDF now. You can see upload completed. I need to click on convert. You can see it's converting. Conversion completed. You can download this file. Download is complete. Now just open it. Now it is converted into PDF file. This was earlier, it was a WordPress file. So now I will show you how you can convert WordPress file into other format. For example, I will show you PDF to images. Okay, let's select the PDF file now. You can see PDF to JPG, PNG, GIF. You can use any one of them. Let's go for JPG one. Let me select this PDF file. It's showing, it's converting. Upload completed. Click on convert. Now you can see it's done. Click on download. It's downloaded in zip format. Okay, you can just view it. You can unzip it. Let's open it. You can see, you can just copy it, and here you can create a test folder where you can open this file. Unzip this file here. You can extract the file. You can see this is now in JPG format. Let me open it. So it is in image now. You can see. So you can convert a PDF file in these formats very easily using this easy to use tool. It's very easy. You can convert Excel to PDF. If you have an Excel file, you can convert it into PDF. PDF to images, I have just shown you. I have shown you PDF to Word as well, Word to PDF. It's very easy. You can use this software. I will give this hipdf.com's link in description section as well. And in case you like this video, just click on the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for my upcoming videos. And in case you have any query, just comment below, and I have my Facebook and Instagram links in the description section so that you can contact me directly. Thank you for watching, friends. Bye bye and take care.